Thank you to the people over at Almighty Tools for sending the Almighty Ruler over. Recently been kind of on a DIY kick. The basement that I'm currently sitting in is one of the projects that I did. It was just concrete walls and unfinished ceiling, still unfinished, but kind of did that myself with DIY. But this would have really come in handy had I purchased this product before doing it, but definitely glad I have it now for future products, or future projects, I should say. So let's open it up and see what we have inside here. So open it up. Here it is. Looks like your basic tape measure, but I can assure you that it's not. Comes in the nice case inside here, and then lift up, you have your directions, and then you have your little screwdriver. Now, when I was first trying to kind of test this product out, take a look at it, I was like, it's not turning on, but then I realized that it didn't have batteries, so you're going to have two AAA batteries. You can just unscrew it right here. That is what the screwdriver is for, but once you get your two AAA batteries put in, then you're good to go. One thing I like right off the bat is that, not that I don't trust it, obviously I've never used really a laser ruler before, tape measure before, but it does come with just your basic one if you want to check your work or whatever it may be, and it is nice. You just pull it out and it stays in that spot just like that, so you don't hurt yourself. And then it does have this release button here, so you can see, press it and it goes back in. So if you want to, you can check the work of the laser just to make sure that it is on with what you are getting with the old school way and then the new school way. But definitely can save some time with this. I'm going to show you kind of some things that I learned as I was taking a look. So you have, I don't know what that was. So you have, you just press on right here. See if I get a little closer for you. And then when you're ready to measure, and I'll show you that here in a second, you can change your unit, you can change how you're measuring, and then the off button right here. So let's go ahead, flip this on. So when you turn it on, the screen comes on just like that, and it's just on basic measuring, and it'll show you, so right up here, it'll show you right now that it is starting from the front of the tape measure. So let's say you're measuring and you want to measure from the front. I would do it from the back, depending on what I was doing. If I was going from wall to wall and I was trying to find the square footage, I would change it to the back. So you can just press this button right here, and now you can see that it's measuring from the back. So you have different settings that you can use, so you can just measure it normally if you would like to. So if I were to say just measure, what I would do is I would press the measure button right here, and then the red light will come out, and I got two cats, so they're starting to go crazy over it when I was testing it out. But you can see, let's see if I can, so you can see if I can get this on here. So you can see the red light. Yep, so you can see the red light there. And then I press measure, makes another sound. And then you can see that it was 8.33 feet. If you would like to use a different form of measurement, you can use a different form of measurement on here. I just use feet because that's what I normally use. But you can add, so now let's say I took another measurement and just say I'm just going to measure the wall right in front of me. So I can add those two together, so you can see 8.33 plus 5.41 equals 13.74. So it just did that just like that, which is extremely nice. You can do another setting where you subtract. So I do this again, press this measure button. There we go. Now I got it. So 8.31 minus 5.41 equals 2.86. So you can subtract if you would like to. Then you can find one side of the wall. So if I wanted to find the square footage, say I went to this wall, pointing the laser right now, I got 8.72, and I point it the other way. Right now the laser's already on because it knows I need to take another measurement. Press that button once again. And so you can see here I found the square feet of this area down here. So 8.72 by 10.78. Again, I'm sitting just right in the middle here, so I do it and I go up to the wall and do it that way. But just kind of for demonstration purposes, you can kind of see what it does there. But you have you need to find different triangles, whatever it is. You can see right there at the top, it'll show you what it is that you are measuring, but then you can just go back to the normal setting and have it just do one measurement like you would be if you're using the regular old tape measure. So again, super excited about this product. And then make sure you hold the off button right here, and then it'll say off on the top screen so you don't waste that battery. But very excited about this product. Thank you again to Almighty Tools for sending over this product sample. Something I'm going to get a lot of use out of. I hope you do too. Yeah, enjoy. Thanks.